click on this gear icon to go to your settings. Then scroll down for a bit and click on the payments option just right here under the product settings section. After that, click on the payment method. On this page, you may scroll down until you see the Pix payment option. Then you want to click on it. Make sure to enable or turning on the Pix as one of the payment method first. Then you will see the selection to enable or disable either one-time payment and the recurring payment when your client using Pix as their payment option. For this video, I want to disable the recurring payment on Pix, then switch off the toggle over here. And there you go. Now, my customer can only purchase my product through the one-time payment. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.